Hi, I'm Gus, and today we are out in Far North Queensland in a pretty remote area, trialling a new cathodic protection system to protect this culvert that runs under the road. What makes this project particularly special is that there is no cellular coverage in this area at all, and there's no power.
Corrosion doesn't just stop because the site is hard to reach. This culvert sits on the remote roadway exposed to long-term corrosion risk. For this trial, we supplied an integrated cathodic protection enclosure and control system, built specifically for remote deployment so the asset can be protected, monitored, and managed without frequent site visits. At the core is a transformer-rectifier delivering protective CP current, powered entirely by solar. Because there's no cellular coverage, satellite communications send system status back to our website and allow remote setpoint adjustment when required. On site, the team runs the field cabling, completes terminations, and prepares the system for operation, focusing on a clean, practical installation that can be maintained efficiently over the life of the asset. In remote areas, security is part of engineering. The solar array and enclosure are installed high on a pole to deter interference. To further reduce theft risk, the batteries are installed underground and away from the pole, out of sight, protected, and still serviceable when needed. Inside the culvert, references are installed to verify performance over time. That gives confidence the system is operating as intended, and supports fine-tuning without relying on constant site attendance. Back at the office, trend data confirms solar charging performance, CP output currents, and stable reference behavior. In the weeks after commissioning, cathodic protection criteria were confirmed, demonstrating reliable remote ICCP performance at this site.
Projects like these are exactly where OmniFlex's out-of-the-box engineering makes a difference. If you're looking for a cathodic protection, power and monitoring system at a challenging site, get in touch with us. We'll help you design a system that works in the real world. Thank you for watching.